Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to delete Repost on TikTok. Let's go. First of all, open up the TikTok app. Then for the purpose of this video, let's repost this video. To do that, tap on the share button at the bottom right. Then tap on repost. As you can see, I reposted this video, so let's delete this repost. To do that, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on this repost icon over here. Now you'll be able to see all of the videos that you've reposted on TikTok. So if you want to delete any of these reposts, just tap on the video that you want to delete. Then tap on the share button at the bottom right. Then simply tap on remove repost. And now that repost has been removed, so you can follow these simple steps to remove any reposts from your account. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.